Hi, in the last lessons we learned about data range control. In this lesson we are going to learn about adding how to add a filter in visuals. Let us come back to the studio. So this is actually the visuals that we have created in the last sessions. This is one table we have created and there was one table. This is the scorecard and this is the control. So let us this is not required now. Let us delete it. Okay, let us delete it. Okay, so now we have two visuals. One is one table for subcategory and profit. Another is sales. Sales, we have one sales. Okay, that is called scorecard. Okay, now let us see. So we have not discussed one important thing, that is called under data tab we have not discussed about this add a filter. Okay, there are two things we have not discussed so far: adding a filter and interactions. Interactions we will discuss about later in the later lessons, future lessons. Now we will discuss about this. Okay, so we will now create we will now add a filter. This is the options. So now take for example, so we will add a filter for this subcategory. Take for example, so under subcategory there are accessories, art and all these things. So there are some of the subcategories that starts with the alphabet A. Okay, we will write here subcategory like subcategory begins with A. Okay, so by default it has taken the Google Sheet that is called the Euromart store. Okay, so then there is one option that is called what we want to do. We want to include or exclude something. We want to include or exclude something. This is text based field. Basically subcategory we are filtering here, text based field, that is called. And we are looking for what we are looking for. We are looking for the different items under subcategory that begins with A. So it must include A. So the what must include, so this is like these are the fields, these are the different fields we want to filter subcategory. Okay, so subcategory we will see. So after that select a conditions. This is text based. So it is equal to, this is not required, contains, this is not required. What we are looking for, subcategory items that starts with what, that starts with A. Let us remember this is also case sensitive. If we are writing a small a, it will not filter. Okay, so this selection is case sensitive, we have to remember. So if the data is in lowercase, we have to write in lowercase. If it is in uppercase, we have to mention here it in uppercase. Then let us go for this save. So let us look for the data to load up. See, so this is called, there are three items under subcategories that are there. So as per the filter we have got, suppose we want B, accordingly we can go for that. Suppose we want C, accordingly we can go for that. Okay, so now this filter is not applicable to this scorecard. Okay, this filter is not applicable to scorecard. So in order to make this filter applicable, so what we have to do, we need to select this cells, that means this scorecard, and then we have to go for once again here add a filter. Okay, so there are two options here. Okay, so one is create a filter. We can create a filter for this, or the filter that is applicable to subcategory, that is the visual is already there here in the page. So we can also click on this. That means same thing will be applicable. So now total sales from that is 755,000. It will now get changed. So let us see the applicability. So now it has become 139.1k. So this is how we can that apply filter, we can add filter in our visuals. Okay, basically this filter function is used to customize what we want to see. Okay, suppose we want to see something that begin with a, or something that greater than something. Okay, so we can use this filter. That's for this lessons. Thank you.